Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to create new volume from Windows 11. First of all, click over this PC. Here you have to find show more option. Click over show more options. Then you have to click manage. After that, maximize the window. Then click disk management. Here we are seeing that your disk information, disk 0 to 38 GB SSD. From that SSD we are seeing that C and D, two new volume already created successfully. Now I am going to create a new volume from local disk C. Right click over C, then shrink volume. Now you have to type megabyte on that blank space. I am giving a simple calculation. I want to create 50 GB, so I am multiplying with 50 into 1024. Here we are seeing that 51,200 megabyte. I have converted 50 GB into megabyte. So I have to type in megabyte 51,200, then shrink. Now you are seeing that 50 GB unallocated space has been created. But new volume not created yet. You have to right click over that 50 GB, then click new simple volume. Welcome to the new simple volume wizard. Then click next, then next. Assign the following drive letter. You can choose A to Z. I am selecting Z. Then next, make it default, then click next. Completing the new simple volume wizard, then click next or finish. Now we are seeing the new volume 50 GB NTFS healthy. New volume Z has been created successfully. Now I am going to check is it created properly or not. So I am clicking this PC option. Now you are seeing that new volume Z has been created successfully. It is a new volume from disk partition. So that's all. Thanks for watching.